Yeah, so part two of the exploratory door damage to this. We're doing some exploratory work to see how bad this corner is. Uh, we got the Bondo off, and to their credit, probably done on the farm somewhere, to their credit, they actually knew how to use Bondo, and they feathered these two edges in. Kind of left these one hanging a little bit down here, but they actually feathered this edge pretty well, which is surprising for such a hack repair, but they were trying to make it happen, you know. So I'll try to get some of these out here. And my rivet's stuck on here, hang on. Alright, great. There we go. Yeah, I don't want to go through the door again. Yeah, that one's being stubborn. Oh, that one went through. Yeah, we're trying. It's being stubborn here. Okay. I guess you guys can see from there. There we go. See, we got this one here. Okay, we kind of got that one. Not really an exact science drilling out a rivet. And it's nothing underneath there, I can tell. You're getting there. A couple more. Oh, there's definitely nothing under there. Oh, dude. Okay. Alright. So, how much you want to bet this is like a Mountain Dew can or something? Oh, boy. Well, it's a soda can. We don't know what it was. Probably a Mountain Dew can. Okay, so it's just as bad as I thought, actually. Whoa, whoa, flaky. Well, it's bad. Okay, well, so we got to repair this. And it's funny how they used that huge patch when it was only this corner. So I think what we'll do, it's kind of punky in here too. I think we'll come down and cut this corner, just about cut this corner right out. And then we'll weld some battens. Yeah, except the problem is we're not going to make it a corner. We're going to oblong it up. Because if it's rounded edges, the panel will finish better. And if you have this big square edge, people are going to see the finish marks in the Bondo. And yes, I'm going to have to use some Bondo after I make this metal new. Now, this is what you'd use Bondo on. A small indentation Kind of looks like someone shot it with a .22 caliber at a distance. That's what you would use Bondo for. That. And, you know, well, after patching this with clean metal, yes. But this is not what you use Bondo for. This is what you use filler for. It's clean metal. You can clean it up pretty good. It's a small little dent. Yeah, you don't use Bondo in something like this. And definitely not a soda can. Okay, that's all for now. Faulkner fixes all. The only channel worth watching.